Did you see any of these kinds of errors when you wanted to play some competitive games? Secure Boot is a UEFI feature that verifies the signature of every company during boot. If something isn't signed by a trusted key, it just won't run. Sounds simple, but people struggle with it all the time. Let's fix that. I will walk you through it on an Asus TUF and Rock motherboard step by step, but it's pretty much the same on most machines. Restart or turn on your computer, press F2, F8 or delete on startup. You will load in the BIOS. On Asus it looks like this. First thing is, switch to advanced mode. Either press 7 or there is a button at the bottom of the screen. Go to boot and check boot mode. It needs to be set to UEFI, not legacy. Check if CSM is enabled. Secure boot literally cannot work. Disable it. Once you are back in Windows, press Windows plus R, type MSN432, find the line secure boot state. It should stay on. If it does, you're good. One more thing, if you are on a modern system, make sure that FTPM 2.0 is enabled in your BIOS. It's usually under Advanced AMD FTPN or Intel PTT, depending on your CPU. Windows 11 requires it, and some anti-cheats and security features rely on it working together with Secure Boot. They are separate things, but you really want to both on at the same time. If secure boot is on but something's still acting up, games not launching, system throwing errors, the fix is usually pretty simple. Go back into your BIOS, find the secure boot section, disable secure boot and look for an option like clear secure boot keys or reset to setup mode. Do that, save, reboot, then you go back in and enable it with standard mode. This resets the key database back to defaults and in most cases that's all you need. Now, on some machines, especially older motherboards or budget laptops, secure boot might just refuse to turn on or act weird. Two things you can try: either update your BIOS to the latest version from the manufacturer's website, or do a full reset to defaults inside the BIOS. Usually it's called reset to default or load optimized defaults. In order, if it still doesn't work, pull the key mouse battery to force a full reset, but that's kind of a last resort. Now, if you're thinking about dual booting with Linux, there is something you should know. By default, Linux does not boot with secure boot enabled at all. To make it work, you have to go out of your way, install a shim, enroll extra keys, configure everything manually, and the moment you do that, those keys end up in your key database alongside Microsoft's. That's where the problem starts. Some anti-cheats are extremely strict about what keys they are see in the database. Faceit, for example, only accepts the keys signed by Microsoft. Anything else and it just won't run. Vanguard and Easy anti-cheat are similar, so it's not that dual boot breaks your system, it's that extra setup Linux requires put stuff in your UEFI that these anti-cheats don't want to see. Don't forget that on PC everything may work whatever it likes, so I hope that this video will help you. If it though, so like and support my channel. Have a good luck.